Hey, and today we're going to talk about why reaching your goals is not important. And you're probably like, what do you mean by that? Like, is that not the whole purpose to set goals and then reach them? Well, like, yes and no, because the reason that actually reaching your goal is not important, it's because it's more about the journey of who you have to become to reach that goal, that vision for yourself. Because like the reason you haven't got it is because you are not currently the person that you have to be in order to achieve that thing, or you haven't done what you need to do to get there. And so it's really more about the process of becoming, the journey of who you're going to have to be and what you're going to have to shift in order to get to that goal or that vision. What beliefs are you going to have to challenge? What are you going to have to do? Because I don't know if you've noticed this, but this is a very human tendency that we set a goal for ourselves and then you reach it and you're like, oh, this is exciting for about 2 minutes. And then you're like, okay, what can I do next? And I am very guilty of this. And I think it is important to celebrate your achievements, but to know that it's a natural human tendency to always want to expand. Like, you're never just gonna like get to this point one day and be like, I'm here, I'm done, this is it, because on that day you'll be dead. So it's more about who do I have to become to embody this thing and to get it. And once you get it, be like, yes, that's exciting. I'm proud of myself for doing what I needed to do to get here. And then also being excited about where you're going to go to next. Because as soon as you stop growing, you start dying. So, like, if you're not always expanding, you're going to get stuck. Like, you can't just stay on the same level and be like, okay, I'm finished. This is it. We're not going anywhere else. There's always going to be something to reach for. There's always going to be something to get to. But it's like, the goal is not necessarily the goal. It's more about what you have to do to get there and who you have to become to achieve the thing that you want to achieve. So I hope you found this helpful. Let me know in the comments below, and I will talk to you later.